morning, beautiful people. I feel like I'm finally getting the hang of this Vlogmas thing because, listen, I'm not giving you guys a proper intro. This is Sincerely Asia, Anastasia Denise. Follow me on all social media platforms. It should be The Sincerely Asia or Sincerely Asia on every platform. All that information will be in the bio. Thank you so much for coming back if you are a returner, and welcome if it's your first time. This is Vlogmas, you guys. This is Vlogmas. Today is going to be a very short day because I'm going to spend most of the day driving to Atlanta. Oh, my face is kind of itchy. And I know last night I was supposed to show you guys my skincare routine, but I was so sleepy and I literally went to bed at like 2 a.m. I need to get my sleep schedule back on track. Cat food. It's time to feed Penelope. We're going to do a very light breakfast. I actually don't even know if I'm gonna have like a real breakfast. I think I'm just gonna have fruit because that's what I'm in the mood for. I just need y'all up higher sometimes. I think I'm gonna have to order another tripod off Amazon. So here's the thing. I have so many tripods. And then I have my one over there that's too tall. I know, baby. I'm about to feed you. Side note, does anyone else have a problem with their cat like not eating? She really doesn't like chicken. We're having coffee and fruit this morning. For sure, coffee. Coffee is like a non-negotiable. I have pimple patches on for the first time. These appear for dark spots. I have these like 3 like meteorite dark spots from me popping pimples too early or like pulling my face. I like pick my face really bad. And then I have this pimple here, which it feels like it's gone. And I had one trying to like fester here, so.
I was texting, you said, baby, don't be mad, you know how brave it is. Don't open your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him, fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you let me low. Fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you tie me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction.
Okay, so I tried the pimple patches last night, and what's making me nervous is it left these marks in my face where I had them. I don't know what that's about, but I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. Alexa, turn on bedroom 1.
Okay.
It gotta work for me.
The next day.
Good morning. Focus, focus, focus. Hey y'all, we outside. My name is Asia, Sincerely Asia on all social media platforms. Anastasia Denise on some platforms. All that information will be down in the description box below. Hush, girl. Click all the buttons and make all the moves happen. Like, comment, subscribe, add me to a playlist, sweetie. Watch later if you have to, but let's get into it. I am heading to the gym right now. I'm very late. I had a very late start this morning. It's 10 a.m. But we went out last night. Insert clip here. So I'm heading to the gym now. I signed back up for Hot Works, so I'm going back in there. I'm gonna try to get a few clips for y'all so y'all can see, but it is 130-degree sauna, so everything tends to start to overheat as soon as we get in there. So I'll try to get a couple clips. I've been able to record in there before, like when the sauna first gets on, when it hasn't heated up yet. So I'm gonna do like a 15-minute cycle, and then a 45-minute maybe bar class, or I might do 2 15-minute cycles to try to get the calorie burn in, because baby, I am ready to tone up. So I'm gonna do Hot Works, and then if my boyfriend's still at the gym, which he probably will be, I might go by their gym and do a little lifting. So yeah, tonight is going to be a girls' night. We are going to do something very fun. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Keep me in a secret, because baby, watch the video, but it's probably in the titles. I don't even know why I'm flexing like that. So I'm gonna hush. See you guys at the gym.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my head, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah.
Line up, dang. Back to the house to take a shower. I swear by Hot Works if you want to lose weight. Like if you just want to shred weight. Not necessarily like, I can't even talk. Not necessarily to like tone up or anything. But if you want to do cardio, guided cardio on your own and like get the most bang for your buck, Hot Works is where it's at. I just reinstated my membership maybe yesterday or the day before yesterday. It's my first time back today. I do the train everywhere option, but you don't have to. Like if you don't travel as much as I do, I travel a lot, so I have to do the train everywhere, or what's the point?
Doing shows at any bar, any club, to the big stages that we rocking right now.
Period,
I promise
man.
I'm gonna keep going up for y'all.
But yeah, actually I'm gonna get off of here so that I can it's time to turn my watch off. Yeah. 43 minutes, 30 of those minutes actually working out, and I burned 385 calories. 40 minutes, 385 calories. Get out of here. Like, what? What? But yeah, let me head home, take a shower, get something to eat. Maybe if I'm loved, there will be food waiting for me. While salon, I needed to stop and get some lashes. And the city, they don't have beauty supply stores. And that is why I will never be a city girl. Like, I'm a city girl, but I would never be able to live in a city because why don't y'all have no beauty supply? But yeah, we're about to go in here and I wonder if I need money. Or will they take Apple Pay? Who's not taking Apple Pay in 2021? Drive my military ready.
Fly you out the peak, full speed, so pour les Paris. Comme me, vive all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Comme me, fly you out the peak, full speed, je suis ton génie. Rolls Royce back in hidden deals, bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chilled. All because of how I kept it real. Like sleep back on the G-Way.
These look pretty on brand.
Work for everything you see back.
It's medium.
Okay, I'm about to go and see if they need lashes too. So, and my battery's about to die.
Homie, fly you out the peak, full speed, so pour les Paris. Homie, vive all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Homie, fly you out the peak, full speed, so pour les Paris. Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm a problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide who you think you should reside with. I've been quiet, hard to miss me when I'm flying. Going out to Keiko, she can stay in my room, she can stay in my room, and it ain't mine.
We're about to get ready to run a quick errand. I hope these people take Apple Pay because I didn't bring no card out here. But we're about to get ready to run a quick errand to pick up a present for our friend. She is, I don't know if it's a secret, but y'all gonna see what it is when we get to the store because I'm gonna vlog in the store. So y'all just see that. Stay tuned. About to go pick up a quick little present for her, come back to the house, edit today's vlog, then get ready for girls night tonight. You got the address to this place?
Just put it in, what's the mall?
You could pick the time and place.
This is my stuff.
That's just the bag from earlier. West and
Is it your trunk full?
huh?
Your trunk full?
I can put it in the trunk.
Okay. Make sure you put it in the trunk.
Starting route to West End Mall. Head east on Bowen Avenue southeast.
I like the green one.
You like the green one?
You like the pink one. You love pink though. Y'all have Apple Pay?
Yes, we do. How much is the phone call?
You could, no, do that. What about that wall space right there? Can you move the rest and get the wall right there? I mean, get one of these, move this shelf stuff up here. And then, yeah.
Thank you, lady.
I'm gonna call
Thank you.
I'm gonna call you about this.
They had Santa and Linux today. I'm trying to figure out why they don't got no black Santa. Oh, he black. Kente Claus. I like that. Quarantine at the North Pole. Oh. So you gotta take a picture with the cardboard?